Hello, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Feniks, and I'm the owner and founder of HogOn Welding LLC. And I wanted to give you a few updates of my services this rising. I have consultations that go for $150. I have memberships that are $500. And I also have different blueprints and different consultations to go for the container conversions. But with the $150, I help you start your independence, or you can get the container conversion. And if you have prints and you need me to go over and show you what you can and can't do, it's for that as well. Both of those are $150. For $500, it's a membership, meaning you grow with me as I grow. Anytime you need to talk, like get consultations or emails, customer service, you connected to me for a lifetime as of now for $500. And what I do, we're building a community so that way we can form a community to grow together and actually get our HogOn together. And also coming up, I have some business prints, some container conversions business prints that I'm selling for $500. And with these prints, it shows you how to start the container conversion business. And I just wanted to say, all of those who have already paid for the lifetime membership automatically get the container version plans that's for $500 for free. So for those who are already members, you get that for free. And for those who are becoming members, if you become a member, then you'll get the plans for free. So you're killing two birds with one stone, man, for networking with us and getting your HogOn with us. So I just want to give you some of our services, let you know that everything that we are doing, that I am doing, is help building your independence, building my independence, and we're going to get our HogOn together and keep rising. HogOn.